to Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally, if you haven't met me before. And thank you so much, guys, for the people that have recently been subscribing. I'm really pleased and delighted. And just to say, if you haven't subscribed and you do like this video today, then please do. And it would be fantastic if you could also leave a comment. Make sure that you hit the notification bell. Yeah, in today's video, we're going to be looking at a textile technique called Trapunto. And I will walk you through the steps of how to do this. And it is basically going to be translating some of the chocolate drawings that I've been doing lately. So let's go. Now I'm actually going to make some of these shapes a little bit bigger. Done a back stitch over here as part of the design of the chocolate. I've done a runner stitch down here, and now I'm going to put another piece of fabric the same size backing fabric as this front piece here, and I'm going to pin the corners, and I'm going to do straight stitch on all the water soluble pen, my design on the sewing machine. Okay, so I'm just popping these clips on all the way around the fabric just to hold the fabric nice and flat. So I'm literally just going to do runner stitch on my machine. Okay, so that's all the sewing done. Next, I am going to stain the overall fabrics with tea. So I'm going to fill up a jug of boiling water with 4 tea bags, and we're going to soak the fabric in there. And we are done. So whilst it's wet, I'm just going to drop a little bit of brusho dye over the top. I'm also going to use my little scissors. Use a quick unpick, use it to rip some of the back of these shapes if I can't get to fill them with the wadding as well. I'm going to need a needle. Go with a thin, small, sharp one. I'm going to thread this up, double thickness. You choose your shapes. I'm going to choose this one, and then I've used my quick unpick to just make a little hole at the back of this one. You can always use your little scissors as well to cut across. Grab yourself some wadding, some stuffing, just a small amount, and then you literally get your crochet hook, or I don't know, a lollipop stick, or anything that you want to sort of just help you push this in, just push that up. So I'm really going to fill that in. And this technique, as I said, is called Trapunto. And it's going to give us quite a wacky sort of little sample. So once that's full, like so, and then you just start sewing just the back. So I'm using my left hand to kind of hold it all together. And then I'm just doing a bit of an overstitch. So, and when you get to the end, just going to do quite a big chunky knot so that it doesn't all pop out, because you don't want all that wadding and all that hard work to sort of come apart. So 2 knots, 1, 2. And there you have it. Let's have a look at the front. So it's nice and padded. What I like to do, if you've got a couple of needles, I like to just get a couple of them prepped up. So double thickness, as I said. And then just tying the knot, by the way, grab your 2 bits of threads and just wrap it around your needle a couple of times, twist it around, and then with your fingers push that right to the bottom. You've got a fairly chunky knot. Just to say, obviously when you've got like a corner piece like this and the 2 sides are open, you can just get the wadding and push that directly round rather than having to slice the back of your fabric. So that's what I'm going to do now. And also on, say, this shape here, I'll probably just do a little hand stitch just to tidy that up and finish it off in a bit. So that's it, finished, and you can see my original inspiration came from this design from a top of a chocolate, and you can see the Trapunto sample just there. It is quite large. So yep, there's my original drawings that I've been doing, and then I've just pinned it onto a mannequin, and you can kind of see sort of like, you can visualize how this could go. You know, this could be a whole bodice piece, a sculptural piece, fine art piece. But yeah, it's really quite interesting to just sort of see how you can develop your drawings into textiles. So that's my first sample, and we've got another one next week to come. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, then please leave a comment and just let me know. That would be super duper. And I'm going to be back on Tuesdays and another video posted at the weekend. If you want to see more of some of the lead ups into my projects, then don't forget that my Instagram is @Didsburyartstudio. All right then, have a good week and take care of yourselves, and I'll see you dead soon. Bye.